My dear child, oh, how long I waited for you to talk to me. Where have you been? I know exactly what you're going to say. I know your excuses. You're too busy, too much work to do. Why don't you ask for my help anymore? Do you not trust me? I know things have been rough. I know friends aren't really there for you. And maybe your family could be doing better. But does that mean you shut me out? Does it mean you don't designate alone time for me and you? My lovely child, I see how rough your life is and how confused you are. On top of that, I see what the world offers you and the temptations and peer pressures that you face. I understand. But my child, how often has the world let you down? How often have you followed a plan in which you created without me in it? How far did that plan take you? Do you not know that I can help? Even better, I want to help you. I want to be your saving grace, the person who puts a smile on your face, the one who holds the keys to your heart's desires and dreams. I want to be your older sister, father, mother, and teacher. I want to be your best friend. But my child, I can only do that if you believe in me, if you trust me, and I will make you feel better than you can possibly imagine. I will make all your dreams come true. I must warn you, my child, if you follow the world, if you trust in the world, if you continue to shut me out, then you will miss out on the amazing plan I have for you. Your beloved, your friend, your servant, Jesus Christ.